So a certain file has a size of 960 kilobytes, and how long will it take knowing that 1 kilobyte is 8 kilobits? So over this interconnection, the file downloads uninterrupted at a speed of 512 kilobits per second. So if we were to divide 512 by 8, that would equal the kilobytes of the file, or excuse me, of the rate. That would be the rate per second, and then we would divide the 960 by whatever that number came out to be. And then it's just a math problem, so statement 1 is sufficient. We don't actually want to do the math, we just have to know that we could, that we're just converting units first off and then dividing the rate, the total file, by the rate per second, and that will be the number of seconds. So it's not statement 2 alone because statement 1 was sufficient, and neither of the insufficient statements can be right. Statement 2 tells us that it takes 4 times as long to upload the file as it takes to download the file. So statement 2 is telling us that upload to download is 4 to 1, which then means that the download rate to doing both, doing uploading and downloading the same file, download is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, so it's 1 to 5, and we actually find out what the total value is. So the total is 75, so we just have to figure out what the proportion is. This is the download speed. So we have 1/5 equals x over 75, and from there we would cross multiply and solve for x, a simple algebraic equation, and we can tell that that's sufficient. So statement 2 is sufficient. Either statement on its own is enough to answer the question.